Hyundai i30. There's the inner catch, inner safety catch. Hear a good click as the bonnet's released to the first safety catch. You can see there's a gap now, I think what I call the finger gap. Come to the badge. Above the badge, just off to the, slightly off center. My fingers are now on either side of the lever. It's not difficult to find. Push it towards the center of the car and lift at the same time. There's the lever, that's what your fingers were trying to catch. There's the bonnet strut, the bonnet prop. There's the bonnet hole. So you check your oil, your water, whatever you wanted to do. You don't leave any tools lying around, you put all the caps back. To close the bonnet, drop it from about a foot or 30 centimeters. There. That's shut cleanly. You know it's shut cleanly because you heard the click. There's no longer a finger gap, but you double check anyway. What you never want to do is to not firmly shut your bonnet, because it can fly up in the worst circumstances.